So today we'll be looking at what V0.dev offers us, and let's go ahead and give it a prompt. So let's say build a product detail page with the product image, product variants, and what will be the variants. So let's say we have sizes and colors, right? And add to cart button and a buy now button. So apparently V0.dev by Vercel lets us create these Next.js React components, which will use Shadcn UI to give us a really beautiful UI that we can just copy and paste. So let's see what the AI gives us now. And on the right hand side, you can see that the code is generated, and it is in a very beautiful way. You can see that the code is very extremely readable, and this is exactly how it would appear inside of a code editor, right? So this is very easy to read, not something that ChatGPT gives us, right? This The code itself is formatted, and it feels like, okay, here's a preview as well. So the preview, the preview of that code, that React component is visible here, so I can see my changes live, just like a Claude artifact. I mean, this is amazing, guys, and this is exactly how it will appear if you use this component inside of your Next.js application. So we will be doing that. Okay, let's see how we can do that, right? So these panels, okay, there's not a help. Let's go to VS Code. So we had a project already. If you remember my previous video, we were testing out Next.js 15. So let me go ahead, remove all this, and go back here. And here you can see that it's using Shadcn component. So I think we'll have to install Shadcn UI. So let me go ahead and find out where Shadcn, get started, Next.js, copy this command, npx Shadcn at latest init, and here let me paste this. Let's see what it gives us. All right, yeah, sure, just click on Y. Not an issue at all. I just want this to work. And here, let's see. Okay, it uses Shadcn UI, it uses Tailwind CSS for styling as well. And yep, I think that's a really good start. So here, okay, this hasn't installed it. Okay, New York. Let's go ahead with the default options. Not an issue. Default options is what we want, because this video is for demonstration purposes, right? And we want to be able to just drag and drop that particular UI and see what we can get in our locally installed app. So guys, make sure you have a locally installed Next.js or a React app, so that you can go ahead and test these changes. And where will I create the component? So inside a lib, you can see that the Tailwind is being injected right there, and here you have the code. All right, so in earlier versions of V0.dev, there was a command which you could have put inside of your terminal, but I guess we'll have to manually make that component now. So let me go to app, create new, and let's say product details .tsx, and here I'll just paste that component. And above you can see that there are some errors. So these errors are because of these components that are missing inside of Shadcn UI. So go ahead and search that in Shadcn UI, and here are the commands. So just paste them and install them one by one. So for us, there are only two. Okay, copy. Yep, I think this will do. This should work. Installing. Okay. All right, so I guess we are done. Now all we need to do is run p npm dev Before that, I have to import that component inside of our home. So import the product detail. Okay, why am I getting an error? Import use state. I go ahead and you say use client in the inside a component, and here you can see that you can see exactly with beautiful tailwind CSS styling and Chat and UI, you get the product detail page in just under 5 minutes, guys. I mean, this is amazing. This really increases the speed of your workflow. And yeah, I mean, I just wanted to share this with you guys. And for more such tech content, please do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.